How to take effective breaks as a kinesthetic learner. Are you a kinesthetic learner wondering how to take breaks that actually help you study better? You are in the right spot. Let's break down some effective strategies tailored just for you. Kinesthetic learners thrive on movement and hands-on activities, so your breaks should reflect that. First, consider using short and frequent breaks. Aim for study sessions that last between 20 to 45 minutes. After each session, take a 3 to 5 minute active break. During these breaks, engage in physical activities like walking, stretching, or doing jumping jacks. These activities help refresh your brain and improve your focus when you return to studying. Next, avoid passive activities during your breaks. Scrolling through social media or watching television may seem relaxing, but they do not benefit your learning style. Instead, try walking outside, doing household chores, or even shooting hoops. These active breaks will help maintain your attention and memory. Incorporating movement into your study time can also be beneficial. Consider using a standing desk or pacing while reviewing your material. Small movements, like bouncing a stress ball or fidgeting with a pen, can help you stay focused without disrupting your learning flow. Another effective strategy is to combine physical actions with your learning. Use tools like flashcards, whiteboards, or physical models to interact with the material. Writing notes by hand or drawing diagrams engages both your body and mind, making the learning process more effective. You might also want to schedule your breaks using techniques like the Pomodoro Technique. This method involves studying for a set period, such as 25 or 45 minutes, followed by an active break. This structure ensures that your breaks are regular and purposeful, helping you stay energized and attentive. Lastly, make your breaks purposeful for learning retention. Active breaks not only recharge your energy but also help consolidate what you just studied. For example, try walking while mentally reviewing concepts or physically acting out ideas. This approach can deepen your understanding and make the material stick. In summary, effective breaks for kinesthetic learners are short, frequent, and involve physical activity. By incorporating these strategies into your study routine, you can manage your energy levels and reinforce your learning through movement. Remember, breaks are not just downtime. They are an essential part of a productive study session.